million miles away. Yeah, I'm already gone.
Just let me take out this sunlight. I love the way it makes me come alive.
Hey boo, I'm back with some synthetic drip. I'm just still in my feelings a little bit because I know the review has already gone up. I just filmed Adeline by Bobbi Boss in 4 colors because they didn't release the swatches when they released the wig, and the colors were a little disappointing to me. So let's hope we back on track, because y'all know I love Bobbi Boss. Bam, this is the one I'm about to review. Side note, we already reviewed Vivian, which I absolutely loved her. And we have these 3 that we're about to review now, starting with this one. Okay, so this one is by Bobbi Boss. You hear my voice so meek and mild, because I was mad, y'all. This one is by Bobbi Boss. It's part of their glueless lace wig collection. And I have this one in the style MLF258 KIERA, K-I-E-R-A. That's one of my favorite YouTubers. And in the color TF1B/L Mocha. I love this color. We reviewed Eloise in this color and a few other wigs. KIERA comes with free parting space, 13x4. It's glueless, baby hairs, pre-plucked, all of that jazz. Okay, I got all 3 of them, which again, KIERA, which is the one we're about to review, Nora and Amy in that L Mocha color, which is absolutely gorgeous. I hope that this one put me back, you know, in the mood how I feel about Bobbi Boss. Look at that color, y'all. Very pretty. So if you somebody that wants to, you know, play around with color, but you want to be subtle, phonetically in the comics, tell me how to pronounce it. This L Mocha color is for you. All right. Like I told y'all, she comes with that 13x4. Let's say 13x4. Yes. Which means you get 13 inches of lace going across and then that little 4 inches going back. She comes with baby hairs. Comb to the right and the left, comb in the back. That was horrible. But y'all know cap construction by now, right? Okay, she looks really pretty just sitting on my hand, right? I'm gonna put her on, play around with her. Look at that natural feathering. Put her on, play around with her, and then I'm gonna come back with my final thoughts on Miss KIERA. Be right back. Okay, so this is the Bobbi Boss that I'm used to. Y'all, this wig is a bop. This wig is absolutely gorgeous. Y'all know I'm looking down there at these other colors that she comes in. The model on the stock card is wearing her in this pretty auburn color, which this little style for the fall and in that color is bomb. They also have it in a TT1B/FH something blonde. Let me show you the back. Look. Look at those other colors she comes in, right? This wig is a must. Even in a black, like if you don't like the little highlights of chocolates and like somewhat ashy blondes, then in a black that this will be bomb. I do need to put some more powder up there at the top, but I know that this is a wig that I'm keeping for myself, so I ain't even gotta really do any of that right now. Y'all, this is a bop. I 1000% recommend it. I'm gonna be honest, now these other 2, Nora and Amy, with the little curls and waves, I know they gonna hit. I know they gonna hit. So do you need this one? Yes. As far as the link to pick her up, y'all know I always tell you, if it's a wig that ain't been sent to me and I bought my own coins, and this is one of them, I always encourage you to just Google KIERA Bobbi Boss, and she'll populate on all the sites. Go with the site where you sell your coins. Some websites have coupon codes. Some websites you might have loyalty points. Just, you need it. Wherever you get this from, you need it. This one a bop. Like I always say, maybe you're not into wigs. Maybe it's your cousin KIERA. Maybe it's your Uncle Kenny. Whichever one. Send them my way. And me and this Bobbi Boss will get them right. It kind of reminds me of the Vivian wig, except it's a different texture and it's a little bit shorter. Bomb.com. Until next time, which is gonna be like 30 seconds for me, next day or two for y'all. Bye.